everyone, my name is Steve Williams. For those of you that don't know me, I'm the Managing Director of Clean Solar Solutions. We're a solar maintenance company based in the UK. I have over a decade of experience now of cleaning solar panels, so I've accumulated numerous installations, all sorts of different things. We've cleaned rooftops, we've cleaned ground mounts, we've cleaned floating solar arrays, so we have quite a bit of experience in this field. And I've noticed as I've grown in the solar industry that health and safety among solar panel cleaners is still leaving something to be desired, which, considering we're a decade into a solar panel cleaning industry now, it surprises me somewhat. And so what I thought I would do is just highlight some of the present working practices that we frequently see when people place posts on their websites or on blog sites or Facebook or Instagram, and to show the current state of the solar panel clean industry, and also highlight the need for better education, better training, and also moving forward eventually getting to the point where I personally feel that the solar panel cleaning industry should be regulated in a similar way to the gas industry in many countries. So I believe that many of the window cleaners that are coming into the solar panel cleaning industry are doing so with very good intentions. They already own a lot of the equipment that is needed in order to access solar panels, but there are some health and safety practices that I frequently see, which leave, as I said earlier, much to be desired. So I just thought I'd flag up on the screen here. What we've got is we have a company who claim to be solar sales and installation, and they also offer a residential and commercial solar panel cleaning service. They offer a battery storage option as well as part of their service. So on the surface, they've got a very professional outfit. They've got a nice trailer. They've got a 4x4. But then if we look at the next picture, we can see the gentleman cleaning the panels. This was posted on a Facebook thread. Leaves an awful lot to be desired. So let's examine this sort of step by step with this gentleman's technique. Let's look at his cleaning technique first. So he's cleaning there with one hand, which when you've got what looks to be a 12 to 18 foot water-fed pole in his hand there, he's not going to be able to get very good pressure into the brush head in order to clean those solar panels to any sort of degree. Now, it may well be that this was just taken in a snapshot and he was using two hands, in which case fine. But from experience, I can tell you that cleaning with one hand with a water-fed pole just doesn't get enough pressure into the brush head. You need to be putting pressure into the brush head in order to get the quality clean. Of greater concern though, as we can see, is his lack of any sort of working at height safety precautions. He's not wearing, for instance, a high-vis vest. He's not wearing any kind of PPE that will protect him from electrocution. He's not anchored to anything on that roof. So he's potentially there able to fall from a two-storey building very, very easily. We can't see what's on the right-hand side of this picture, but my guess is he's not erected tower scaffold in order to access that, because the vast majority of photographs that we see posted on Facebook and similar places indicate that these people are accessing roofs with ladders. So this really is a classic example of how window cleaners are having a go at cleaning solar panels, and how, in my opinion, they really shouldn't be doing it without some form of education, without some form of training. And the commercial market is exactly the same, as we will highlight in future videos. So I thought that I would just highlight this as an example really of what is going on. I believe this to be taken in the US. Here in the UK we have the Health and Safety Executive. They can actually fine and, in worst case scenarios, imprison people that breach health and safety regulations, guidelines and law. And so even though this gentleman may be a sole trader working in the US, it's my understanding that OSHA, who are the US version of the Health and Safety Executive, they would have something to say about with these working practices where people are accessing and working around roofs with no health and safety equipment. So from that photograph we can see just one of a plethora of examples that we will examine over time, and really this video is to slate an individual company. It's not to slate window cleaners as a whole. It's not to slate anyone in any country or any Facebook group or Instagram post that anyone makes. The videos like this that we're going to do are made with the intention of helping people have their awareness raised. If they have their awareness raised of their own working practices, it's our hope that individuals and companies such as this company here will raise their standards. We as a company, Clean Solar Solutions, have worked hard with organisations such as Solar Energy UK, formerly the STA, Solar Trade Association, also Solar Power Europe, when it comes to writing best practice guidelines and health and safety advice, particularly for solar panel cleaning. And so this video, along with the rest of the series of videos that we will do on this channel, are built with a positive spin to highlight not just the negative practice, but showing how improvements should be made and can be made. And so eventually, as I say, it's my personal desire to see solar panel cleaning regulated. I don't believe that individuals or companies should be able to operate in the way that we've just flagged here on this couple of short photos. So just a very quick video. We will be talking a lot more in depth about health and safety when it comes to all sorts of issues, but particularly focusing on solar panel cleaning and the practices that we see and we hear of from around the world. So it'll be interesting to examine these photographs and these videos as times pass. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and wish you all the very best.
Hey!